If your hair just not growing, try this. I mix flaxseed, chai tea, and my herbs, rosemary, white key, resin, and my hair start growing faster in just 7 days. Guys, stay tuned and watch this video how I use flaxseed chai tea hair mask with a rosemary, lavender resin tea to transform dry, weak hair and to a soft growing strand. Guys, it's so amazing. In just 7, all is happening only 7 days I use this thing. Please check my channel to watch the full video over there. So now, okay my people, after boiling it, you have to boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. So after that, I bring it out. I divide it into 7 pieces. Okay, I put 4 into the deep freezer, and also I keep 2 inside my normal fridge, and I blended this one. So after blending it, try to get your cheesecloth or something that with tiny hole, or maybe if you have like weak cap, use that one also, the clean one. You can use it to do what, to strain your hair mask. So after that, I added my cold pressed avocado oil, 2 tablespoons of it. I added 1 tablespoon of honey. So now my next ingredient is going to be my lavender essential oil, because this lavender, I love the smell. Not only the smell, also it's having a benefit. It's also regrowing your hair and adding calms to your hair. So all my things, I always try all my best to do what to do and add lavender into my things, my routine, anything that I'm making. You can see even it's almost getting finishing. So but I ordered new one, it will be coming soon. So now I'm adding my black castor oil also inside. That one also is cold pressed castor oil, so it's all adding thicker. It's also adding thicker to your hair. So guys, this is so amazing. I couldn't believe it, like this thing can work like this for me, seriously. So now it's time for me to do what I say. What I'm going to do for my daughter, I have to bring the video out here, because there are so many people also having challenge with their hair. It's not growing, their hair is breaking, they are getting shedding hair, they don't know what to do, how to stop it, they don't know. So it's good for them also to benefit. So guys, I'm pouring it inside my bottle. That will make it easier for me to apply to my hair. So guys, when you finish like this, hydrate your hair. After hydrating your hair, you have to apply it and use some rubber bag to cover your hair and sit for 30 minutes and go and wash it. Please subscribe and like and share for us. Thank you.